Okay, the bull's getting a little close to the edge. First time I fed him out here was by accident. I didn't think he would, wasn't thinking of the bull pushing off. And then he showed me what he does when he gets too close.